HAI Digital Dreamer, welcome to AI Colony channel. AI-powered content creation is undeniably shaping the future, becoming an explosive trend. Whether you're crafting stunning visuals or dynamic AI videos, the possibilities are now limitless. Among these innovations, AI face swap technology emerges as a pivotal instrument, especially if you're aiming for viral growth in the content creation industry. The common hurdle with these advanced AI tools is often the significant cost. But what if I told you a secret? Today, I'm unveiling an extraordinary AI platform that will genuinely astound you with its vast array of AI features, all completely free, empowering your YouTube strategy. Before we dive in, if you're new here, fuel our community by hitting that subscribe button. Now, let's talk about Pixnova AI, your ultimate, all-in-one arsenal for trailblazing content creation. This powerhouse tool lets you conjure images from mere text prompts, meticulously refine visuals using AI, seamlessly execute face swaps in images and videos, and so much more, unlocking new dimensions of creativity. The most incredible part? It's entirely free, and remarkably, you don't even need to create an account to harness its power. I've placed the direct link in the description below. Simply click it, and you'll instantly land on this game-changing AI content creation hub, ready to elevate your digital presence. We dive deeper, selecting a realistic image generator from the AI Art Generator suite. Once you arrive at the free Realistic AI Image Maker page, your first step is to click on the Try a Realistic AI Image Generator button, triggering your creative journey. Well, welcome to the AI Image Maker interface, a canvas for your imagination. We need to enter our text prompt here in this box. I typed in my vision, generate a high-resolution, photorealistic image of a vibrant peacock standing on the ground with its tail fully fanned out. After that, I enriched it with some nuanced details for optimal AI interpretation. However, you'll find all of the instructions listed easily in the description box below, ready for your own experiments. Let's witness the magic Pixnova AI's free image generator unfolds with this prompt. After inputting your creative command, effortlessly adjust the aspect ratio from this selection here, you'll discover a plethora of options to fit your precise needs. Now, to bring your vision to life, simply press the Generate button. And there you have it. The image is rendered, astonishingly fast. And just behold the breathtaking quality of this AI-generated image. It rivals professional stock photography. The details are absolutely mind-blowing. I'm thoroughly impressed with this outcome. Now, you might be thinking that was a relatively straightforward image. So, I've prepared another, more complex prompt to truly test its capabilities and generate a sophisticated AI artwork. After entering this more complicated command, remember to set the aspect ratio you want, then confidently hit that Generate button. And there you have it. The image is realized, ready to impress. And just look at this masterpiece. It's really amazing. You can even observe that it has perfectly presented the text that I specifically mentioned in the prompt, a testament to its advanced capabilities. So, yes, you can also generate eye-catching text-based images using Pixnova AI, perfect for viral marketing. It's not just about realistic images, you can also create artwork in almost any style imaginable. Here, on the left side, you'll find a vast gallery of styles. You just need to choose the artistic style you want to emulate. The dark fantasy aesthetic is currently trending, a key element for YouTube's strategy. Let's create a dark fantasy style picture. After choose your style, enter your prompt, adjust the aspect ratio, and then click the Generate button. And there you have it. Our captivating dark fantasy styling images are ready, and absolutely stunning, a fantastic way to increase engagement. Using this method, you can easily create all kinds of visuals with Pixnova AI, such as this amazing Pixar 3D image. Okay, so you want to turn your realistic photos into captivating anime-style art? Navigate to the All AI Tools tab from here, then select the Photo to Anime Converter tool, a brilliant feature for content diversification. Once you're on this page, click on Get Started for free. Now, we just need to upload the original photo. Once your image has been successfully uploaded, you can enter an additional guide prompt here in this box, and then simply hit the Generate button to witness the transformation. And there you have it! The image is now being reborn in a vibrant anime style. And this conversion quality is truly amazing, offering a new avenue for your content creation. So, now you have the power to metamorphose any image into an anime masterpiece. Okay. Do you happen to have images that are very low quality? Don't worry. You can enhance images for free with Pixnova's amazing AI Image Upscaler tool. Once you arrive at the AI Image Upscaler playground, click here and then upload the image you want to improve the quality. Once the image is uploaded, set your desired upscale value, and then simply press the Upscales button. And there we are. Our image is now revitalized and ready. And now you can clearly witness the dramatically improved image quality, a crucial step for professional presentation. So, cease worrying about those low-resolution images, just upload, hit upscale, and obtain a high-definition masterpiece. And if you find yourself still unsatisfied with the intricate details of your image, you can leverage the AI enhancement feature to meticulously add further refinement. After navigating to this page, upload the image you wish to elevate. Next, adjust the creativity level slider, and then press the Start button. And here it is. Our enhanced image is ready, looking absolutely incredible, a testament to AI's artistic capabilities. There are so many powerful image editing features readily available within Pixnova AI, a true creator's toolkit. However, now I'm about to share the most pivotal feature of Pixnova AI, its advanced AI face swap tool, a game changer for viral content. Here, within the Face Swap Tools section, you'll discover an array of AI face swap functionalities. I'm going to demonstrate the AI face swap. This is the intuitive face swap interface. 3 distinct options are available here: photo face swap, video face swap, and the intriguing multiple faces swap. To swap faces from any image, employ the photo face swap feature. Here's step 1, we must upload the source image. I'm uploading this picture now. After the source image is uploaded, proceed to upload the reference face image, the face you want to introduce. This time, I'll upload this particular image. Once both images are successfully uploaded, click the Start Face Swap. It takes a brief moment to process the face swap. And there you have it! Our new image is complete. This is the final, stunning result. You can clearly see that Pixnova AI has swapped the face flawlessly. And the outcome is genuinely exceptional, a powerful tool for creative storytelling. I absolutely love it. Alright. Now, let's venture into swapping faces from a video, a highly sought-after YouTube strategy. Open the Video Face Swap tab right here. Now, similar to the image process, we need to upload the source video footage. After uploading your video footage, proceed to step 2 and upload the reference face image you wish to integrate. Once that's done, simply press the Start Face Swap. This process will take some time to render, showcasing the power of this AI video tool. Now, here's one important detail. Let me clarify, you can perform face swaps 3 times only, every 12 hours. This specific condition applies solely to video face swaps. Image face swaps are unlimited. If you find yourself in a queue longer than 150 users, you might encounter some processing delays and receive this notification, and you may need to try a few times to gain access, a small price for such a potent, free AI capability. Alright, our final video with the swapped face is ready. Let's take a look. This is incredibly well done, opening up vast possibilities for viral video content. So now you can seamlessly swap faces in both static images and dynamic videos. Excellent! Now, let's explore the multiple faces swap feature. This innovative function is currently available exclusively for images. To demonstrate this feature, I will use this group image. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will intelligently detect all the faces present. Now, you simply need to upload a reference face image for each detected face you wish to alter. After you've set that up, click the Start Multi-Face Swap. After a short waiting period, I received this incredible result. And just look at this, it worked flawlessly. Pixnova AI consistently generates exceptionally high-quality results, perfect for polished content creation. Here you can observe the before and after versions and the distinct faces I utilized to orchestrate these face swaps. It's truly amazing. So, whether you're looking to swap a single face from any image or video, you can achieve it for free using Pixnova AI. Most importantly, it produces premium, high-quality results despite being entirely free to use, a huge boon for creators. Do you have a large batch of images and want to change faces with a single click, optimizing your workflow? Then you absolutely must use the Batch Face Swap feature. Once you're on this page, click here and then upload all of your source images. After your target images are uploaded, proceed to upload the single face image you want to apply across them. Once everything is perfectly set up, press the Generate button. And there you have it! You can see that all the images now feature the same swapped face, a massive time saver for bulk content creation. Now, this isn't the end of its capabilities. You can even swap faces from GIFs. There are so many incredible features available on this versatile AI platform, I simply can't cover them all in a single video. I urge you to try it yourself, especially since it's 100% free. In conclusion, whether you are a dedicated content creator seeking to boost your YouTube strategy or just looking to have some creative fun, Pixnova AI stands out as the ultimate free AI tool for you, empowering your digital endeavors. So definitely don't miss out on trying this phenomenal tool. Alright, creative minds, I'm about to wrap up our video for today. Before I do, I'm eager to hear about your experiences using Pixnova AI and how it might revolutionize your content creation. Share your insightful thoughts and stunning results in the comments section below. Let's build a community of AI innovators. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it valuable for your YouTube growth, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one, packed with AI insights. Thank you so much for watching AI Colony, and until next time, happy creating!